In this video, we are going to fix Microsoft Store download error 0x80070424. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps. Navigate at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on Settings. At the settings, please proceed to the system and then find for system components. Click on it. Locate for Microsoft Store and then run the troubleshooter. Okay, you can also navigate here at the search bar, type for Windows Store, click for Find and Fix the Windows Store apps and click on Next. Okay, so run the troubleshooter for Windows Store apps, wait until it would be done, and once you are done with this, I want you to check if the error has been fixed. And if not, navigate to the next solution. Our next solution would be you need to reset your Windows update. How we can do that? At the button search bar, please type for CMD. Then you need to navigate to the right side and click on Run as Administrator. If your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So I want you to copy this command at the YouTube description. Okay. Run the first four commands, which is to stop the Windows Update Service, the cryptographic, the background intelligent transfer service, as well as the MSI server. So copy this one by one, paste it here. Once done, proceed to the second, proceed to the third, proceed to the fourth, one by one. Okay, not as together. Once done, minimize the command prompt, open your File Explorer, then proceed to the disk PC where you can see your C drive or local disk. Then navigate to the view. First, unhide those hidden items, and then navigate to the windows. Hide those hidden items. Sorry for that. Scroll down, find for software distribution, and then clear the file folders here, meaning you need to delete it. Select the whole, Control A, click on the delete icon, and once you have deleted this one, close the window, bring up the Windows Explorer again, and this time you need to paste these commands. Okay, paste this here one by one, and then once done, I want you to restart the computer and check if the error has been resolved. Okay, now if you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for more upcoming tutorials. Thank you and have a good day.